A very good morning, class 8. Today we will study about active passive voice part 2. Earlier we have studied about simple present tense and simple past tense. Today we will continue with the continuous tenses, present continuous tense and past continuous tense. Rules are almost same for the transformation from active to passive voice. Only there is a little bit difference, that is, let us read the first sentence. Mom is baking a cake. So again the object will become the subject and the subject will become the object. A cake is, tense will remain the same, only the difference is baking, which is a continuous tense. Instead of ing we will use being. ing की जगह हम क्या यूज करेंगे? being. A cake is being, now again participle form, baked, past participle form, baked by mom. So the preposition is used over here. So same as the case with the past continuous tense, only the helping verb will change. Mom was baking a cake. A cake was, again instead of ing what you will use? being. Was being baked by mom. आपको बस 3 चीज़ें रिमेंबर करनी है कि जो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है वो हमारा सब्जेक्ट बन जाता है. टेंस रिमेन्स द सेम. पैसिव वॉइस में हमेशा V3 फॉर्म का यूज होता है, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल का यूज होता है, V3 फॉर्म का यूज होता है और प्रेपोजिशन का यूज होता है. इफ यू विल रिमेंबर दिस, देन इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू ट्रांसफॉर्म एक्टिव वॉइस इनटू पैसिव वॉइस. नाउ in the negative sentence, the teacher is not teaching the students. So this is negative sentence. Again the rules are the same. The students, now here see the number has been changed. अभी यहाँ क्या आ गया? Plural, students. So हम इसकी जगह क्या यूज करेंगे? are not being taught by the teacher. तो ing की जगह हमने यूज कर लिया being. Again P3 form and by का use by the teacher. The subject has become over here the object. Okay. Same as the case with the past continuous tense, negative sentence. The teacher was not teaching the students. See the difference. Here it is, here it is was. So according to the number, the students, अब हमने यहाँ was use नहीं किया है, या यूज किया were, because this is plural. Okay. The students were not being taught by the teacher. ing की जगह हमने यूज कर लिया being और teach की V3 फॉर्म हो गई आपकी taught and use of the preposition by the teacher. Again, are they whitewashing the building? So here the object is building, which will become the subject. So it is singular. So हम यहाँ use करेंगे is. Is the building being whitewashed by them? And in the past tense, interrogative sentence, was she playing tennis? Was tennis being played by her? So my dear children, this was the continuous tense. Now your homework is to do all the present continuous and past continuous exercises of active passive voice from the BBC. Thank you. Have a nice day.